Hi all, welcome back to the Python Now YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about basic data types, but in simple words. Just the most important information you will need to catch the basics and keep on practicing. What are data types in Python? There are many data types in Python, but I am going to tell you about the most used ones. For example, when you create a variable named trees and want to assign it the value 7, then 7 is a data type and integer. If you want to assign the variable trees some value like maple, then this is a string data type. Hope you got it, so let's move forward. And here is a list of commonly used data types: integer or int, any whole number such as 7. String or str, any character written between quotes is a string. It's used to represent text rather than number, such as maple, but numbers can also be written as strings. Float, floating point number, which means it's a number that has a decimal place. Floats are used when more precision is needed, such as 0.5. Boolean, its only values are true or false. For example, green tree variable can equal to true or false. List is a collection of items in a single variable. The list always starts and ends with square brackets and values inside of a list and separated by comma. All data types mentioned above can be put into a list. For example, variable trees may have different data types. Are you still with me? Let's look at another data type in Python a little bit more complicated than previous ones. A dictionary. A dictionary is a composite data type because it consists of a collection of key-value pairs. Let's see the example. So here, tree-info is the name of a dictionary, type is a key, and maple is its value. We can also add other key values to this dictionary, such as key quantity and value 19. A dictionary always starts and ends with curly brackets. As you have already noticed, values in a dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated, whereas the keys can't be repeated. There is another data type very similar to the list, called tuple. The difference is that all values inside of a tuple cannot be changed, and tuple always starts and ends with round brackets. But we will talk about tuples in more details in another video. You will always have to work with these data types when writing code in Python. So first, what you should do is to remember them and then understand how they differ from each other. If you would ask me how can I do that, make up some variable like trees and assign some value to it. Write a command to print your variable, such as print, and run this code. The value you passed in this command will be returned on the screen. To know its type, just add command type inside of a print command, as an example. And now you may see the type of your variable. Try to make up your own variable with different values and figure out its data type. I guarantee you, such practice will help you remember and understand this information better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Here you will find a lot of simple tutorials about Python.